Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. There are multiple ways in which you can make investments in our country today. You can put your money in real estate, you can buy stocks of a good quality company, and you can also buy bitcoins if at all you have the know-how and the technical expertise to understand that. Yet, FD is still one of the most preferred investment options in our country because FD is not dependent on any kind of market fluctuations, and your principal amount is also safe and you get decent amount of interest rates as well. Yet the only drawback in FD is that FD gives better interest rates for people who are senior citizens, whereas the regular citizens do not enjoy interest rates which are as good as senior citizens. But what if I tell you that there are four such amazing banks in India which are offering you interest rates which are as good as the interest which banks give to the senior citizens? Interest rates which will be almost around 8%, like 7.5% to almost very close to 8%. Then what will your reaction be? Well, in this video, we will discuss these four banks, and I'll also tell you the different durations which these banks are offering along with the interest rates for the respective durations. So stick with me till the end of this video, and without further ado, let's get started. So the number one bank over here on the list is a bank which you probably might have not heard before, but this bank's name is Jana Small Finance Bank. So if you notice over here, for the duration of 7 to 14 days, the return of interest on this bank is 2.5%. Yet, for the duration of 61 to 90 days, they are offering a little better interest rate, which is almost 3.75%. For the duration of 181 days to 364 days, which is like less than a year, they are offering you almost 6% interest rate. For the duration of exactly 1 year, they will give you 6.75% interest rate. For the duration of 3 years to 5 years, you will get almost 7.25% interest rate. And for the duration of 5 years, you will be able to get an interest rate of almost 7%. For the duration of 5 years to 10 years, you will be able to enjoy the interest rate of almost 6.5%. Next on the list is Northeastern Small Finance Bank. So if you notice on this particular table, the interest rate which they are offering you for 7 to 14 days, it's 3%. For 30 to 45 days is 3.25%. For 91 days to 180 days, it is 4.5%. For 181 days to 364 days, it is 5.25%. For the duration of 730 days to less than 1095 days, they are offering you almost 7.5% interest rate. For the duration of 1096 to less than 1825 days, they are offering you almost 6.5%. And similarly, in the duration of 1826 days to less than 3650 days, they are offering you almost 6.25%. Third on the list is Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. So if you notice on this table, for the duration of 7 days to 45 days, they are offering you an interest rate of 3%. For the duration of 46 days to 90 days, they are offering you almost 3.25%. For the duration of 181 days to 364 days, which is less than 1 year, they're offering you 6%. And for the duration of 365 days to 699 days, they'll offer you 6.75%. And if at all you have plans to keep your money in the bank account for almost 700 days, then you will be able to enjoy an interest rate of 7%. And last but definitely not the least, the bank which is offering you one of the best possible interest rates on your fixed deposit for regular citizen is a bank called the Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. So if you notice on this table, you will be able to read that for the duration which is very less, like the 7 days to 14 days, for 2 weeks, you will be able to enjoy an interest rate of almost 4%. For the duration of 15 days to 45 days is again 4%. For the duration of almost like 91 days to 6 months, they will give you 5.5%. For the duration of say 1 year to 2 years, they will give you around 6.75%. And for the duration of 2 to 3 years, you will be able to enjoy an interest rate of 7.15%. And for the duration of 3 years to less than 5 years, you'll be able to capitalize on the interest rate of 7.25%. And if at all you have plans of putting your money for duration of above 5 years, then you'll be able to enjoy the interest rate of almost 7.5% interest rate per annum. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And if at all you have any topic suggestions, any feedbacks, any questions, please do leave them in the comment section. And if at all you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like and a thumbs up as well. And if at all you haven't downloaded the Financial Freedom app, please do download it as well. The link of this app is provided in the description box. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.